This video shows how to replace the boss riser on a PowerEdge XE2420. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. To begin, first, remove the system cover. Loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system and lift the system cover out. To remove the boss riser, you must first remove the primary drive bay assembly. Disconnect the PCIe and power cables. Now, loosen the blue thumb screw, slide the assembly, and then lift it out of the system. For the boss riser, holding the edges, lift the riser out of the system. To replace the boss riser, holding the edges, insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated. Next, reinstall the primary drive bay. Insert and slide the primary drive bay assembly on the system. Now, tighten the blue thumb screw and reconnect the PCIe and power cables. Finally, replace the system cover and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the boss riser on a PowerEdge XE2420. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.